Hey, it's JP Braaaper from the world's best snowmobile destination. Same guy, new suit. And today we want to talk about snowmobiler safety tips for your business. We know that you enjoy having riders stay with you, eat your amazing grub, or fill up with your high-octane go-go juice. I've got some easy-peasy tips and tricks to ensure they stay safe. Consider developing a rider check-in protocol. If guests are staying with you for multiple nights, simply ask them where they're going each day and when they expect to return. Attach this intel to their room file. Upon return, they can simply check back in so you know they are back safe and sound. Any information helps emergency services when they have to go looking for someone. This is especially important for lone riders. Create an itinerary card to place on the dash of a snowmobiler's truck. Include the rider's route, departure and return time, and a phone number in case of emergency. Again, any information can help emergency officials do their job. Did you know that a snowmobile towing service exists in the area? Apparently, they'll pick up riders, broken down sleds, or if you run out of fuel, check out snowtrailrescue.ca and make sure you tell your customers. Riders like to keep track of their seats. Allowing them to park in front of their rooms, under your canopy, or generally well-lit, safe areas will put their minds at ease and reduce the possibility of theft. Have a list of snowmobile services on hand in case someone needs to get some gear or parts in service for their sled. Do you know of an after-hours welding shop? Do you have access to a heated garage and a few tools? Create a contact list of all important snowmobile club members or district staff in case of an emergency or trailer repair as reported by your guests. These fine folk will be more than happy to help out, relay the message up the snowmobile food chain. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Have staff check the OFSC Interactive Trail Guide on a regular basis for important local updates about trail issues, such as forestry operations and trail closures. Post them on your bulletin board next to the missing doggy poster. Your guests will appreciate the heads up. Mount a new map on the wall of your establishment each year and have lots of printed maps on hand for your riders to ogle over. There you have it. Some super easy tips to help riders maximize their experience with you and while on their sled. Every little detail helps makes us the world's best snowmobile destination. Gold star for watching this video and implementing some of the suggestions. Wrap on, people! Oh, this, you like this? Yeah, this is Hudson's Bay Fur Company original, 1647.
Mr. Braaaper,
I got it on Amazon.
we need that for our microphone, sir.